Hello guys, in this video I will explain about const reference in C++, why we use const reference in function arguments, what are the advantages of using this. To understand const reference in C++, you first need to understand const keyword and references in C++. Const keyword restricts the program to modify the value of a variable. If we try to modify the value of const variable, then compiler will give error and program will not build. References are the aliases of variable name. We normally use reference string function arguments and loops to avoid copying of large structure or modifying the actual variable in the function. References are like a pointer, but it has much simpler syntax and is easy to handle. So now let's understand what const reference mean. In this reference, we can't modify the value of actual variable. We can only read the variable. Const references are used to avoid copying the large structure or user-defined data type in memory. So now let's understand this by demo. So I have made a C++ program. In this program, I have two functions named func and func2. So I have a main function. In main function, I'm declaring variable num, which is equal to 5, and I'm taking the address of the num in the address num variable. And I'm calling the function func and func2 with argument as num. In func, it accepts as a const reference. In func2, it simply accepts a variable. Okay, so now let's debug this program and I will explain everything in detail. So before debugging, I'll let you know that I already placed the breakpoint here in line number 25. Okay, so now debug. So program has reached at line number 25 at the breakpoint. So in this, I have declared the variable num, which has value 5. So I'm taking this, I'm making the address of the variable num in the pointer address num. Okay, so let's see what's the value of the address num. Let me add it to watch. As you can see, it has the value of AB4, and it has, if we dereference it, it has value 5. Okay, address has value of last four digits of the address are FAB4. If I step into the function func and I step over here, so I'm taking the address of this const reference here. Okay, so the address is stored in the pointer address A. If I step over here, and so let's check the address. Let me add it to watch. So as you can see, address num and address A have same address. So it means compiler doesn't we do not create a copy in memory of the variable num when we pass as a function argument in func because it is taken as a reference. So we avoid copying variable in references and it has a const reference. So we can't modify the value of a. If we try to modify the value of a, then compiler will give me an error and the program will not build. Okay, so let me step out of this program. Sorry, function. So if I go into func2, so in this simply I have not taken any reference. I'm just copying the value in this variable int c as a function argument. So to verify that it has a copy, we will check the address of the variable c. So I'm storing the address in pointer address c. So let's check the address. Let me put in the watch. As you can see, it has a different address, but still it has the same value 5. So if we dereference it, it will give me the same value, but it has different address. So it means program has created a copy in the memory of num if I call the func2 function because I have not taken any references in this. So that's the main advantage of using reference uh, to avoid copying the large values, large values like large structures or classes or user-defined any user-defined data type because we don't want to copy this data type. And we put const keyword in front of reference so that we can only read the value, and by mistake we can't modify the value of that reference, because if we modify the value of that reference, the value will get modified value will get reflected back from the path where we are calling that function. Okay, so that was the importance of the const reference. So if I let the program run, I will get the value 5 here. Okay, so yeah, that's all about this const reference. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon.